several of the local media have heard me say many times, at this stage of the proceedings, we are limited by ethics and statute and fairness to emphasize that the people we're about to talk about are presumed innocent, and that these are allegations, and they are mere allegations that need to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt in a court of law. So at this stage, all we've reached is probable cause, and not yet a conviction. If there's a conviction in the future, I can go into much greater detail. So if there are questions at the end, please realize there's strict limits on what I can say. So this case started, as far as law enforcement, on August 15th, Sunday, August 15, with a 911 call and a dispatch by Plymouth Police to the Economy Inn, north side of Plymouth. Tiffany Coburn she's the mother of Mercedes, and Kenneth Lain, the father of Mercedes, reported that Mercedes was missing. So subsequent investigation revealed that, and all of this is in the probable cause affidavit that has now been recently amended and filed, and that's why I can talk about it, because it's part of the court record. So the subsequent investigation, there was a lot of confusion from those parents once they were located on the timeline of events. But what it appeared to be was that on Friday, August 13, the parents gave Mercedes to Justin Miller for reportedly a few days break from their child. And he did not bring her back. That's what triggered the 911 call. Eventually a silver alert was activated, and eventually the parents were located because they were not easily found. You'll see that in the probable cause affidavit. On August 16, which would be Monday, at approximately 8:30, Tiffany was finally put in custody, and eventually her husband was also arrested because of what had developed to be a neglect of a dependent case as a level 6. Eventually, Kenneth Lain was located, the father was located at the Red Rock Inn on August 16, the evening hours. Justin Miller was found in Stark County at a residence, and he too was brought into custody and interviewed numerous times. Eventually, yesterday afternoon, after interviewing, after several times of being interviewed, Justin Miller led officers to this location in Stark County. It was secured as a crime scene. We waited for crime scene investigators to arrive and process the scene, and it was several hours before Mercedes' body was removed from the area. As a result, Kenneth Lain is charged with a level 6 neglect of a dependent. Tiffany Coburn, the mother, is charged with a level 6 felony neglect of dependent, and that involves the allegations of giving the child to Justin Miller under the circumstances that the investigation has revealed. Justin Miller has now been charged, or will be charged. The paperwork is being processed as we speak, with an L1, level 1 neglect of a dependent resulting in death. Level 1 is punishable by a maximum of, well, between 20 to 40 years. Level 6s are 1.5 year to 2.5 years. Their initial hearing will be probably tomorrow, and the court will inquire if they are going to retain counsel or have a court-appointed counsel, and certain dates will be set up, pretrial conference, omnibus dates, and status conferences, and we'll see how that progresses. That's all I have to say. Do you have any questions that